Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I wanted to show you this cute idea for a Thanksgiving table favor that you can use this season. And it's using the Two Every Season bundle from the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. And it's this stamp set with these small images and great sentiments, and these 4 mini punches that are adorable and just great for little projects. So let's show you how to get started with this. It's super easy and fun to do, and just the right size for maybe putting some mints or maybe a couple of Hershey's Kisses in here to have at each table setting. Okay, so I have a piece of the Gather Together Designer Series paper. It's cut at 4 by 4. And I love this gingham and pretty peacock, so I'm just going to use that side again. And I am going to take some tear and tape and run it along one side. I like to do the left side. And then tear it and then go along the bottom. And these we like to call them little sour cream containers, okay? But they're perfect little treat holders. And I'm going to go ahead and peel off the paper lining here on the side and, oops, stuck to my finger, and along the bottom. Now you could probably use snail as well, and this is for sure going to hold really well. That's why I like to use a tear and tape. Okay, I'm going to bend this around like this and bend this side around and just overlap it about 1/2 inch or so and just bring it up. Try to line it up along that gingham line. Okay, so there we have a little tube like. Then we're going to press the bottom together. Okay, and I like to kind of fold it a little bit to define it. Then I'm going to take this side and close it in the opposite direction. Of course, you would fill it with your treat first. So you can do all of this part ahead of time and make your tag as well. Then I'm going to push it together and crease it a little bit. And I'm going to get my Take Your Pick tool and punch a hole in there. So let me just go right here, not too close to the top. And then I like to just give it a roll around there to make the little opening big enough for my ribbon. Now I've got some of the pretty peacock scalloped linen ribbon, and I am just going to put one side through there and pull it through. And then to make it easy to open, you can take like some other ribbon, or I like to use linen thread, and I'm just going to tie a bow. I think I can go ahead and cut this off here, make it a little bit easier. I'm going to tie a bow where the bow just has to be untied to open up the little container for the treat. And we'll get that done. And you can trim those edges, those tails of the bow if you want to. Okay, so now I'm going to make a little tag, and I want the bow on this other side. I don't want to see that seam. We're going to make a little tag to put right here, and we're using some sentiments, a sentiment, and some images, punched images from that bundle. So I have this sentiment that says, "Thankful each day for you," but I just want the word thankful. So I'm taking my pretty peacock Stampin' Right marker, and I'm just going to use my side of my brush tip and go over the edges here. Okay. And then I have a piece of Scrap Whisper White. I'm going to stamp. And then I'm going to take my 1 1/8 inch scallop circle punch and just center that up and punch. Then to back it, I'm going to use the 1 3/8 inch scallop circle punch and punch out a piece of pretty peacock. And then I'll adhere this over top, just like that. So let's use some liquid glue and put that together. Okay, then I have some scrap strips of Cajun Craze and crushed curry. I'm using some fall themed colors, and I'm going to use the little leaf punch from the bundle and punch a crushed curry leaf and then a Cajun Craze leaf. Okay, now I wanted those to stand out a little bit more than they are. So I've got a sponge dauber that is inked with Cajun Craze. So I'm just going to brush it over top. Okay, and make it a little more vibrant, a little darker, and make it stand out. And the same with the crushed curry. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is just take these and overlap them underneath Thankful. Let's do that one there. And then over here, like that. And then to finish it off, I'm going to use one of our Noble Peacock rhinestones. Let me get my Take Your Pick tool again, and I'm just going to put one right there in the center like that. And then I'll take my little treat holder and I'm going to glue that on just like that. So put a little down the center here of the liquid glue and then put it just like that. And there you have some really cute favors or treat holders to dress up your table for Thanksgiving. Okay, I hope you'll give that a try. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com where you'll find the details for these projects as well as the product listing. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.